Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We're going to do something a little bit different. Now we're going to do some technical drawing. So basic technical drawing, we're drawing a line, and what we're going to do is we're going to work a horizontal line from a point. So with our compass we put the point on where we're going to intersect the line and scribe an arc. With the same measurement we scribe a little mark on the other side. Then we make our compass a little bit bigger, put that on the first mark that we made, and scribe an arc above and an arc below, keeping the compass the same. On the second point we made, strike an arc above and one below, and where those 2 points intersect, if we join them through from our first cross through our point through into our second, that line is now 90 degrees to our line. So then if we're going to break that angle up, so we're going to break the 90 degrees into say 45, compass again on the apex, scribe a mark on the baseline, scribe a mark on the vertical line, same distances. Then we make a compass slightly bigger, and with our compass on our new point we scribe an arc in the middle, and on our second point we scribe an arc in the middle, and where that intersects with the corner has now broken that 90 degrees into 45 degrees. So then using the same technique we can then do the same with the 45 degrees. So set a distance, mark the bottom and mark the new line at 45 degrees, make the compass slightly bigger, and on the 2 points create an arc off the 2 points, and where those 2 points intersect down to the apex has now broken that into 22.5.